In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my method on how I get literally any Apple product for free. I've gotten both this phone and these AirPods for completely free by using the method that I'm going to be teaching you in today's video. This is an iPhone 15. These are the brand new generation of AirPods. So as you guys can see, this method is 100% working as of 24. So you guys are going to make sure to hop on this quick. And the way you're going to do that is making sure to watch till the end of the video, because at the end, I'm going to show you a method that actually, should I show it? Yeah, you guys deserve it. You guys are on the Xavier channel because we teach you how to get literally anything for free. So near the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a method that is entirely foolproof, that is at no risk to you. And on top of that, it is even a little bit suspicious, so you guys could actually entirely get away with it. And you guys are going to learn some exclusive information that you're not going to find anywhere else on YouTube. I've watched a ton of videos about the same thing. It is not there. So I would highly recommend you guys go ahead and subscribe to the Xavier channel, as well as making sure to check out Xavier.net, where for only under $30, I'm going to teach you exactly how I make over 10K per week with YouTube and how I get literally anything I want for free on this exact channel. As you can see right here, I have Versace. I can get free DoorDash, free Uber Eats, basically anything I want for free, only for the price of $29 to you. So I'd highly recommend going to Xavier.net and checking out my exclusive course, The Real Way, because you are not going to find any other information like that on the entirety of YouTube. And with that being said, guys, we're just going to jump right into it. But as always, thank you for watching. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to click on this video's description and hit that Cash App sign up. There's going to be two things that you're going to get out of this when you sign up to Cash App with my exclusive link down below. Number one, you will get a free $5 upon sign up, just like every single person right here has. So if you guys want to be getting literally a free $5 just for signing up to Cash App, make sure to use my exclusive link down below, because there is no other way to get this exclusive offer, provided that an influencer doesn't give you this invitation bonus. As you guys can see right here, this is the actual Cash App. It says Cash App right there. I'll look up Cash App. You can see it shows up. There is no other version of Cash App. This is 100% completely legit. This is the actual Cash App. This is a real thing. So you guys are definitely going to make sure you go ahead and sign up. And the best part about the Cash App is that once you guys go ahead and download it, make sure you go ahead and link a bank account, as well as sending $5 to someone else. You can send it to me. I would not refund it, but you can also send it to one of your friends or family. And then once you do that, you will get the free $5 added to your account. After you guys do that, you guys are going to make sure to sign up for the Cash Card. The Cash Card is essential for this method, because with the Cash Card, you can get exclusive cash off rewards, which is going to be very useful for the next parts of these methods. As you guys can see right here, you can get 2% off of Walmart, 5% off of CVS, 10% off of Dollar General, 5% off at Walgreens, and there's a ton of great offers here. I would highly recommend actually using eBay right here. As you can see, there's a 4% off one online order, and then what you're going to do from there is that you're actually going to buy a Apple product of any kind. Now, this is going to be the first method, which is actually going to be the refund method, and I'll show you guys near the end of this video an actual better method for this, so just keep that in mind. If you guys go ahead and buy from a third-party trustworthy site, you go ahead and buy an Apple product of any kind, and then you ask for a refund, the seller is kind of forced to do it for you. Make sure that you bought from a site that will offer refunds no matter what, and if you guys go ahead and do that, then you will be able to get any Apple products you want on a refund. This isn't the best method. I'll show you the method on how to actually keep the items a little bit later in the video, but for now, that is a method that literally anybody can do that I would highly recommend, and the reason why you want to do Cash App is so that you can save money while you're doing this. The next thing you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and download Adle with my link down below. Once you do that, you will install Adle right here, where you guys are going to have the ability to literally cash out. As you guys can see right here, I've made over $350 using Adle, and the best part is that it required almost no work from me. All you have to do is just go ahead and go right here and fill out some of these very easy surveys. None of these are going to take you guys any more than 5-10 minutes, and because of that, you will be able to literally cash out from Adle just like me. Plus, you can go ahead and invite your friends to Adle and earn a free 50 cents. So if you want to get a free 50 cents just by signing up to Adle, make sure to use my link down below, and on top of that, you'll be supporting the channel, so just keep that in mind. As you guys can see right here, I've done a bunch of deposits with Adle, and I've been able to cash out a pretty good amount of money for basically doing nothing. And if you want to learn how I turned Adle into a money-making machine, just like I did with Cash App, just like I did with the next secret app I'm going to show you guys, make sure to check out The Real Way on Xavier.net, which I'm going to show you guys a little bit later in the video. Next thing you're going to want to download is going to be Eureka. As you guys can see right here, I've made almost $300 from Eureka just by getting people to sign up and filling out some super easy surveys. So if you guys want to sign up, you can get a free 25 cents by using my link down below, as well as getting a free $1 survey upon sign up. The best part about Eureka is that they have cash out options to every single thing you could want. They even have a bank transfer if that's what you want. They have PayPal, they have Visa virtual gift card, they have Amazon, they have Walmart. Adle has most of these options. They have PayPal and Revolt and a gift card. I would recommend PayPal. That's the easiest one to do. So make sure you guys go ahead and download these 3 apps down below, and that will enable you to have some easy savings as well as absolutely cashing out. The next thing you guys are going to do is make sure to check out the description again and check out the site right here that I say the methods that I can't show on YouTube, which is going to be Xavier's Kitchen. These methods are going to teach you literally, number one, how to make over $10,000 a week from AirPod reselling just for $10. Also, it's going to show you my exclusive free Apple products course, which we'll talk about a little later. And on top of that, my free unlimited DoorDash method, which you guys can actually go ahead and use to make some easy money from DoorDash. Plus, if you buy any of these methods and you don't like them, just hit me up on my email that I put on the site, and I will give you a full refund, no questions asked. It's a digital product. I have no problem giving refunds. But I would highly recommend you guys check out the free Apple products course, which I will have a link for directly in the description. This is going to show you guys the method for only $10 that I use to actually get both this iPhone and these AirPod Pros for completely free. And the best part about this method is that it's something that I can't really show on YouTube, because if I show it on YouTube, I might run the risk of getting banned. But the best part about this method for you is that it is completely legal and 100% legit. Once you guys buy the method, you will be redirected to a Google Doc, and that applies for any of these methods. So if you want to make sure to save the method URL will be sent to you in an email form, but make sure you actually press Control-D on your keyboard and you save it as a bookmark. Because once you guys go ahead and do that, you will be able to learn my method for getting completely free Apple products. So you guys are definitely going to make sure to go ahead and download that, because it is going to be exactly what you're looking for. After you do that, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Xavier.net, because it is my exclusive course called The Real Way. There's only one real way to get anything for free online, and I teach you guys how to do that for only $27. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out all the videos as well as all the different things on Xavier.net, because I have a lot of goodies hidden on here, as well as making sure to read everything, because there's a lot of interesting stuff. Watch all these videos here, because I'm literally going to teach you guys the literal cheat codes to life. And the best part about this course is that it's going to teach you how to grow a YouTube channel just like mine. Literally, I lay out the whole structure. I lay out how to record videos. I lay out how to structure them. I lay out which affiliates you should use. I lay out how you should use them. I'm going to teach you guys exactly how I make over $10,000 a month from just this one YouTube channel, and how you guys can recreate it for yourselves. I want to make sure that you guys are cashing out. I love seeing people make money, and if you guys can use this method to make free money, I would be extremely happy. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that out with the link down below. And with that all being said, guys, we have in fact at the end of this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to check out all of the links mentioned. And with that all being said, guys, we're going to end it here. But as always, thank you for watching, and hope that you have a good day. Bye.